welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is deneatreslatreec. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel you can expect to see wig reviews, weekly vlogs, dandelions, get ready with me, a little bit of cleaning, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So today, y'all already know what's about to come at you. Y'all already saw that thumbnail. Today, this video is sponsored by Luv Me Hair, and y'all know they take care of your girl. So let me tell you about this unit that I have on today, honey. It is a loose wave bronze brown, 180% density, glueless lace front wig, honey. And yes, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Y'all know Luv Me be hooking your girl up. They be loving all on me, honey. They be loving all on your girl. Okay? So yeah, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna show you about this hair. So let me tell you some more about this gorgeous unit, honey. Like I said, it is 100% 80% density. It is 100% virgin human hair, honey. Okay, yeah. It is pre-plucked natural hairline, and like I said, the color is a brown blonde color. It has 4 combs in the cap. It does have elastic straps with an adjustable elastic band, honey. So any way that you want to wear this wig, honey, boo-boo, they got you. Okay, so if you want to go ghoulish, you can. If you want to don't go ghoulish, you can do that too. Whatever your heart desires, boo, this unit got you. All right, lace is a Swiss medium brown color, and the particular unit that I have on is a 4x4 parting space. So you can do it in the middle or on the left or the right side. So it is amazing quality, y'all. It is such a beautiful wig. Also, y'all know they send your girl some goodies as well. Scrunchie, a comb, it will give you some press-on nails, lashes, foam holder you can put your foam in, and it give you these gorgeous hoop earrings, honey. Okay, and you want to look extra cute, honey, this is gonna get you there. This is gonna get you right, honey. Okay. Let me stop playing with y'all, but I'm serious though. This unit is amazing. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I laid this beauty out, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we are about to put on this beauty right here, honey. So super excited. It's been a long time since I had this color before, so I'm excited to see how this is going to look on me. It's in a long curl, so I'm excited. So without further ado, let's go and put this beauty on. Yeah, so I am putting on the clips, and if y'all see me looking down, it's because my mirror is right here. So I'm going to be using my Got To Be spray to spray down this lace. But honey, do y'all see this lace? Like, do y'all see it? This lace is looking absolutely beautiful. It looks pretty good, y'all. Pretty good. It looks pretty good on my skin tone. So now I'm just gonna cut this lace, and then I'm gonna spray it down. And tie this hair back. Okay, the lace is cut off, so now we're going to spray this down. I'm not going to spray it all the way across. We're just going to just spray the top part, and then I'm just going to do like a side part. That's what I'm going to do for this particular unit. So let's spray this on. All right, y'all. So I'm going to lay this strap on so we can further lay this lace down. All right, y'all. So while the lace is laying down, we are going to give this hair some body, give it some style, give it some attitude. And so I think I'm going to do a side part. So I'm going to be using my barrel curling one from Air. I got this from Walmart and I really like it. I don't have a problem with it, so it's pretty good to me. It gets really hot. So I'll go ahead and give this unit some body, some curls, some flirtatiousness going on. We're gonna go ahead and do that while the lace is laying down. And yeah, let's get to it. So I gave this unit some little bouncy big curls. I'm going to take this strap off. Do y'all see this hairline, this lace? I'm going to comb it out. I'm going to use this side of the comb. This is so pretty, y'all. Do y'all see this color? Like, oh my god, like, honey, yes. I think I'm going to spray this down. So let me show you the bag. Y'all, this unit is so fabulous, y'all. If you are looking for a unit to wear for a date night or any occasion, this is a great unit to have. It is so flirtatious. It is so just amazing, y'all. Just look at that. Look at that, honey. No tangles at all. And your girl is not getting any shedding. So you always want a unit that's gonna give you life, honey, and this unit is giving me nothing but life. So if you are interested, go ahead and check out the description box below. And you know I got you. You know I got a coupon code in the description box as well, so you can save those coins. This is a fabulous unit. It is so lightweight. It is comfortable on my head. So if you are like big head, honey, This shooting gonna hit. This shooting gonna fit you, boo. And do y'all see that lace? Do y'all see it? Do you, boo? Do you see it? No, you don't. And what lace? And honey, you don't see no lace. Okay, you don't see no lace. Cause why? Love me, don't play. Okay. Make sure y'all check out this unit for your next occasion, or just to wear to work or to church, honey. Go in there looking like you own the place, okay? Y'all see I can't stop running my fingers through this hair, honey, because honey, yes, you want a unit that's gonna give you life. Here she go. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. If you have not already, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!